In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Claude. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Customize tab over here on the left, and then from here, click on Connect Your Apps. Then you have to search for Canva like this, and you want to click on this plus button, which will prompt you to actually grant access to Canva. So what's essentially going to happen, it's going to take you to Canva, and then here you'll have to sign in with your account. I'm just going to use this account I'm signed in with already, so I'm going to click on Continue. You may have to, of course, type in your password and username as well, and then I'm just going to press continue yet again because I'm using Google to actually sign in. If you use email and password, you'll be able to do that, and then from here, as you can see, it's going to say what I'm going to allow it, and I want to allow it because I want to connect it, so I'm going to click on allow. And whenever you do that, it's going to say authorization successful, and it's going to take you back to Claude. And here it's going to say up top right, you'll see connected to Canva. There we go. And you can now go to connectors, top left. Here you can see all the permissions and all the kind of tools you've given Canva access to. And then from here, you can disconnect it or kind of view details, where it's going to essentially show you what you can do with this. So here you can see the tools you have. You can search designs, get them, etc. Okay, there's a bunch of different ones. You can use them inside your chats to actually kind of use Canva together with Claude. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.